guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the brand new Styletone box, and I already took the liberty to take off the lid because it takes me forever to do. We've got the booklet right here, then we got the paper that I'm going to rip to shreds, there we go, and this is the inside of this month's box. Been a long time since I've worn fake lashes, wow. Okay, let's start off with the first thing, which is from BB Cosmetics. This is the face contouring kit. This is what it looks like. I'm not really sure if it's sealed. No, it's not sealed, so I can open it up. There we go. See, now you can take a little bit of a better look at the color. So we've got a highlighter, bronzer, and a contouring little pan. Let's see what it says in the booklet about this little fella. It's the last one. It's the BB Contour Palette. The worth is €21.95. Moving on to the Vintage Cosmetic Company. We received quite a few items from them already, and this is the Vintage Cosmetic Company tweezers, and I think, don't hit me with a rock, but didn't we already receive tweezers from the Vintage Company, like I guess in a different box? I'm not really sure, but I think we did. With these tweezers, y'all will be seeing this in a giveaway along the way. Speaking about giveaways, little intersection right here, make sure to check out my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away a satchel filled with makeup, and after that, immediately a new giveaway will start. My giveaways are worldwide, boy, girl, doesn't matter. So make sure to check out that video. It's one of my older videos. Subscribe to my channel. Tell all your friends, your mother, your dog to subscribe to my channel. As soon as we reach 600 subscribers, the sooner, I guess, we reach that, the sooner I give away that satchel. So make sure to check it out. Okay, so let's check up the price of this. The Vintage Cosmetics Company tweezers are worth €8.99, and like I said, you will be seeing this in a future giveaway somewhere along the way, so make sure to check out my giveaways. Moving on to something really big from Olay. This is a scrub. This is the Pore Perfecting Berry Bust Vitamin Cocktail. It's a 5-in-1 clean. Sounds pretty cool. And the last time we received a scrub of Olay, it was like a daily facial cleanser slash scrub in there. I really enjoyed it, and I emptied it out. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this, and we pretty much always receive an Olay product in this Styletone box, and I'm actually very, very thankful about that. I love Olay. So the Olay Hydrating Scrub is worth €7.99. Okay, moving on to K Glow or Glow K from Korea with Love. So K Beauty. This is brightening coconut biocellulose sheet mask. Dull, tired skin, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. Okay, this is what it looks like. Clearly a full size because it is a sheet. Let's see in the booklet what it says. The K Glow mask is worth €5. Moving on to, oh god, no, not another Figs and Rouge. I'm so sick and tired of Figs and Rouge. Okay, so this is the Hydromet Pore Correct Velvet Cream, and if I don't have about 10 of these over there, I don't know, we always get this damn Hydromet Pore Correcting Velvet Cream. I'm like done with it. We received this 1,000,001 times, like done. And I always give this away because it just does not suit my skin tone. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm not even going to get it out of here because I know I will be giving this away to one of you. And the worth is a redonkulous €40.50, and personally, I just don't think Figs and Rouge is worth that much money, but that is my own opinion. Let's move on to Opaline Top Gloss number 4 Bubble Blush. We received their glosses already. The last time we received it, I was actually going to give it away to one of you guys, and I still am going to give it away, by the way. I don't know why I used past tense, because I am. Let's see this one. Okay, it's not coming out of here. Wow, that is stuck in there. Okay. It's not coming out. Okay, now I can pull it up. Whoa, that looks gorge, and I mean gorgeous. But you guys, I know exactly who this, who's gonna steal this from me. And that is my mother, because she loves glosses like this, especially in this color. So you know what? I'm going to give this to her. Actually, I can throw the little box thing away and just give it to her like that, because she don't need the box. Okay, so the Oriza lip gloss is worth 11 euros and 50 cents. And you can get 3 different colors. Like last time I received the golden one, which I'm still going to give away to one of you. But this time I received Bubble Blush, and I guess you could also receive Ruby Slipper. Oh, very excited about that one. So hopefully next time I'll have that one. This one is definitely going to go to Mama. Okay, let's move on to Dr. Botanicals Cocoa Noir Time Reversed Facial Serum. Again, we received this sucker in the past already. I think I actually have it in my drawer, so I'm not going to get it out. I'm sorry, because if that is the case, giveaway. I'm telling you guys, make sure to check out those giveaways. It's over here. The Dr. Botanicals Cocoa Noir Serum is worth 59 euros and 90 cents, so basically 60 euros. Ridiculous. Okay, moving on to Laritzi Pressed Bronzer. Again, we already received like a bronzing palette. I'm not really sure what is up with these boxes lately that they are putting in like double, like the goodie box. Remember a couple of goodie boxes ago, was it the last goodie box? I can't really remember, but they had like 4 freaking scrub type things in there. It was just ridiculous. And now they have, Styletone has double bronzer, because we had already received a bronzer in that palette, so I'm not really sure, you know, what this is supposed to do, but okay. This is what it looks like. Always great to have a bronzer. This is, like I said, from Laritzi. The pressed powder slash bronzer is worth 20 euros. Okay, so we have, 2 cards in here, but I don't really use those cards. And then we have 1 item, and the rest are just empty boxes that I took out. So this is the last product, which is from Glove. The the Quick Trick Innovative Magnetic Fibers. Oh no. Remove makeup only with water. Okay, another giveaway. Wow, a lot of giveaways in this box. Ugh. This is what it looks like. Again, not gonna get it out of the packaging because I'm gonna give it away to one of you. So the Glove Quick Treat is worth 4 euros and 50 cents, and I will show you what it looks like from the inside. Hopefully you guys will see. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the inside. But like I said, I'm gonna give it away to one of you because I don't use that kind of stuff. I have different brushes that I use. Did we get everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items? Yeah, 9 items. Wow, we did not get a lot of items this time, and I had a lot of items that I'm actually going to give away to you guys and of course to my mom. So all in all, not the best box for me personally, of course, it's just my opinion. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? For me, it wasn't really the best, so I'm definitely going to look forward to the next box. Don't forget to check out my giveaway like I mentioned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!